In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer in Square. Let's get started right from your Square dashboard. Open your browser, sign in, and make sure you're viewing the correct location if your business has more than one. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for customers and select it to open up your customer tools. From here, go into Customer Directory. If you see a directory option within this section, click it to make sure you're looking at the full list of customers. This area is your central hub for storing and managing customer details, tracking interactions, and keeping everything organized. As a quick tip, if you think the person might already be in your system, use the search bar at the top to avoid creating duplicates. Now, in the top right corner, click Create. This opens a new customer form where you'll enter the details you want to keep on file. Start with the first name and last name. Consistent naming helps with clean reports, so use the spelling the customer prefers and avoid nicknames unless that's how you'll search for them later. Next, add a phone number. Include the country code if you work with international clients, and choose a mobile number when possible, since that's best for texted receipts or updates. Then add the email address. Take a second to double check spelling here. Mistyped emails are a common source of bounced messages and missed receipts. If you plan to send marketing emails or texts, be sure you have the customer's permissions according to your policies and local regulations. Add the address if you have it. A complete address helps with receipts, shipping, and location-based insights. Enter the street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. If you work with companies, fill in the company field to link the customer to their organization. This is helpful for business accounts, invoicing, and reporting. You'll also see a reference ID field. Use this for any internal identifier you rely on, such as a membership number, a CRM record, or a legacy system code, so you can match this customer across tools. Finally, add the customer's birthday if you collect it. Birthdays are great for targeted offers and loyalty perks. If you don't have the year, a month and day still work well. Once everything looks good, click Save. Square will create the profile and open it so you can review the details. From this profile, you'll be able to see future purchases, send invoices or receipts, and segment customers for campaigns. That's all it takes to add a customer in Square quickly and accurately.